Alright, how do you make a cup of coffee in a Mainstay single serve coffee pot? Alright, if you're going to use pods, it did come with the thing here for pods. Just drops it in there, you put your pod in there, you close it. Of course, your little needle there pokes a hole in it, so there's a little needle at the bottom too to poke a hole in the bottom of the pod. I don't like pods. I think they're a total waste. That's an opinion though, that's not how you make coffee. The other thing it comes with is the filter, or whatever it's called, I don't know. But I like to add about a quarter cup of ground coffee to my filter. Now that might be a little strong, it might be a little weak, I don't know. To me, it's about perfect, but it just drops in there the same way as the pod. And then of course, you open up the back, and there's a fill line in there. And you just fill, there's a couple fill lines, small, medium, large, whatever. I always just fill it up to max. Because if I'm going to drink coffee, I want to drink the maximum amount of coffee I can drink. Close that lid. Put your coffee cup right in there. And there's two buttons off to the side. Top button here is for capsules. That's for the pods. And the bottom one's for ground coffee. And that's what we're doing. So it'll start flashing. And then eventually, it'll start brewing. It does take a few minutes for it to warm up. Coffee's done.